This little guy is choosing to eat the cookies. And then I have bread there with peanut butter. I also have some cat food there. And this guy is drinking. It's okay. Here. So 1, 2. There's more of them though, but they're hiding because they're scared of the dogs. I mean, my neighbor's dogs are barking. They're bigger dogs, so they're like growling, barking. The bread that I am putting on the ground, I put some peanut butter in them so that they're gonna like it, and so that's why I put a lot of water too for them. Hi, eat a lot, okay? Be full.